Hello and welcome to Tech Control Tuesday from Vicadea Concepts, where every Tuesday we profile a tool or application that is just right for small office and home office professionals. My name is Carrie Dryborough and I am the founder of Vicadea Concepts, a technology and systems improvement company. I embrace the virtual world every day to bring my audience the tools that will transform their relationship with technology so they may experience the optimum in productivity, efficiency, and control. This week we take a look at internet browsers. Did you know you had a choice on how you surf the web? The most popular browsers today are Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome. According to W3 Schools, a website for people with an interest in web technologies, the average computer user tends to use the internet browser that comes pre-installed with their computer, which for the majority of PC Microsoft users is Internet Explorer, and for Mac iPad users, it's Safari. During my corporate years, when we promised never to load third-party software onto our corporately supplied computers, I was accustomed to functioning within Internet Explorer. Unfortunately, I was also accustomed to regular internet crashes, painfully slow page tabbing, and boring bookmarking. When I became a Soho professional, I purchased my first Mac and was incredibly excited by the different software programs and embraced Apple's browser, Safari. But my tune changed quickly. Safari also lacked customization features and wasn't any faster than Microsoft's IE browser. Internet Explorer continues to be the most widely used browser in the world, and it does improve with every version. I always appreciate the parental controls contained in IE. Currently at IE 9, the software requires installation updates. These updates are necessary because of what Internet Explorer lacks in terms of browsing security. The popularity of Internet Explorer, especially in the workplace, makes it a target for hackers and cyber thieves according to top 10 reviews. Internet Explorer 9 did introduce sandboxing into their software, which is a security technique where if one tab freezes, it doesn't cause the current browser session to crash. In terms of functionality, the single address bar search box is second nature and should be a part of any browser interface, but it's not. The download capability is a major change I have noticed across browser platforms. IE, for example, continues to host the pop-up screen, while the majority of other browsers complete downloads in the background or at the bottom of the screen. As I researched for the right solution, I understood that I needed three things for my browser: speed, security, and functionality. That's when I met Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is open source software. Open source software means it is built and maintained by a network of users. Volunteer programmers and testers are encouraged to improve it. Security fixes come out faster because the coding is public domain. What I was looking for back in 2010 when I was changing browsers was an overwhelming percentage of people using Firefox. Free to download, tremendous reviews for browsing, security, and customization, I was in. I was so pleased with Firefox that I downloaded the software on every personal and business computer I owned. I do this with all software as a service solutions so I can give a more impartial opinion for both my PC and Mac clients. Firefox had better speed than Internet Explorer. I could open multiple tabs without the browsing session crashing. At the time, Firefox had the ingenious syncing feature where browsing history, passwords, and bookmarks could be synced across multiple devices. I utilized the redo function the few times Firefox did crash. This feature allowed a full restore of the browsing windows without having to pull up the sites from the History tab. These add-on features make Firefox a tremendous browser. I felt secure with Firefox because the latest fixes were always updated on my system. Firefox was missing the single address bar search box, but the Google search engine was just to the right. A relatively short time into my relationship with Firefox, however, I noticed a significant upward trending of another browser. In the fall of 2011, Google Chrome had replaced IE 8 as the most widely used browser in the world. I wasn't going to ignore the strides Chrome had made over IE and Firefox, so now, October 2011, I was on to installing the free Chrome open source software. Google Chrome's appeal is in its speed and simplicity. I immediately took to the clean screen of Chrome. The white space available to view websites wasn't cluttered with menus, tags, bookmarks, or toolbars. Released in 2008, Google Chrome has been steadily gaining popularity. What Chrome was lacking in my big three of speed, security, and functionality was the parental control side of the security features. And although not built into Chrome, What you will find is a large market of third-party applications called extensions, which accelerates the Chrome experience. We're going to take a look at some Chrome extensions now. The first is called AdBlock. AdBlock eliminates advertising from most sites. Take a look at smallbiztechnology.com. Here's the site shown on Safari without AdBlock. Notice the same page on Chrome with AdBlock installed. Let's take a quick look at how I've customized my browser experience. With an extension called Session Manager, I've created multiple home pages and baskets of favorites based on what I need to achieve on a given day. For example, first thing on Mondays, I take a look at everything that is Google. I also view websites I am building for clients and set follow-up tasks accordingly. On Thursdays, I take a look at all my clients' social media feeds and determine my strategies for the upcoming week. On Sunday nights, I look at updates on my family's links as reminders if I need to register them for camps or lessons. Here's another great extension for those that need translation services. Google Translate offers this app. Find your web page, select the translate key and your preferred language. Presto, same text, different language without the need to copy or paste or translate from google.com. Here's another one for fun, Sports Scoreboard, without even having to go into your customized Yahoo or Google iPage. The ultimate free stock photo search add-on is a quick tool to search for royalty-free images from an extensive gallery of photo sites. One of my security favorites with Chrome is when you navigate to a website suspected malware or phishing, the browser displays an immediate warning. Chrome also has the synchronizing browsing feature common to other popular internet browsers, allowing users to have their bookmarks, preferences, and tabs accessible across all devices. Chrome features automatic updates, RSS feeds, a password manager, and employs sandboxes like IE and Firefox. But the ultimate of Chrome's experience is in its speed, both on initial startup and page navigation, and through its use of extensions, customizing the experience for the end user. Thank you for joining us today for Tech Control Tuesday from Vicadea Concepts as we review choices for internet browsing: Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Safari. I hope you found the information in this video helpful and are encouraged by the possibilities of customizing your browser. Join us again next week as we talk about the multi-platform productivity tool Evernote, another application that is just right for small office and home office professionals. Take care.